Hello, you have a strategy to make? This course will help you. Actually, we are going to talk about the SWOT analysis or SWOT matrix. So what is a SWOT analysis or SWOT matrix? Actually, this is a strategic tool that helps you to understand internal and external factors of your business. And it helps you to understand your business approach. And at the end, it makes you able to build your strategy. So, what is the meaning of SWOT? S is for strength, your internal strength, your business strength. Same for weaknesses. What can you see in your business as a weakness? For external, what can you have as opportunities in your market, for example? And also for external, what are the threats? It can be the market, competitors, it can be a lot of things. What are the threats you have in your environment? But before starting, you must make sure that you know what you want. First, you have to set your target. Also, to make it very efficient, you have to involve your staff, to involve people in what you do, in your analysis. And third, and this is an advice I give, you have to make several session workshop. Let's work on a business case. So let's consider that I lead a startup and I have an issue. My sales are stagnating. Nevertheless, I have a big target. I want to double my sales within the 2 coming years. We are now going to fill in the matrix. As you can see, in the table you have in front of you, you can see 4 things: strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So I consider the following strength. I have a strategic thinking. I know very well my market. And I know that best people are already working for me. Then I identified weaknesses. The first one is that I never made a SWOT analysis. This is the first time I do it. What I know is all my costs are very too high and I have limited resources. Nevertheless, I can see some opportunities. The first one is that I can improve my organization. I can add new services or one service in my range and develop my staff. And to finish, the threats I can see in my environment. AI is currently rising. Maybe this is something as a problem I have in my market. Second, many new competitors are coming. And third, because of such competitors, market prices are decreasing. So here is the result. You can see in the table strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. In the second stage, we are going to mix our ideas. So we are going to mix strength with opportunities, strength with threats, weaknesses with opportunities, and weaknesses with threats. The objectives is to find ideas to make the target fixed. The idea is to build the action plan that will help the strategy to be built. So first we are going to exploit my external opportunities. As you can see in the table, I know my market and I have to add new service in my range. Finally, with all of this, I am able to develop and sell a new genuine service. Second, let's minimize impact of threats. With my strength, I have the best people. They are already working for me. And we have as the threats new competitors. So let's bring staff on the field and bring loyalty, increase loyalty from our customers. Third, we overcome internal weaknesses using opportunities, best people working for me, and weaknesses, market prices decrease. So we have to train staff to make sure that we have a good quality cost ratio. And last, we minimize external threats using weaknesses and threats. So I know that my costs are too high and consulting prices are going down. So let's work on a productivity plan to reduce my own costs. Of course, you can make this job for hundreds and hundreds of ideas. And actually, I advise you to do so to make sure that you put your finger on the right parameters and on the right factors. So with everything we did, we are able to build the strategy. As you can see, I can improve my offer, propose new services that I will sell directly on the field. And for doing so, there is an action plan. First, develop new services. Second, bring my best people on the field. And third, very important, launch a productivity plan to make sure that I can have a good cost structure. So now you are ready to make your own SWOT analysis for your business. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my videos. Bye bye!